Earth isn't just a big rock with a bit of air and water around it. It's a living, breathing system made up of interacting spheres that shape everything we experience, from weather to ecosystems to climate, and even our own survival. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that wraps our planet, giving us the air we breathe and driving weather patterns, while the hydrosphere holds all of Earth's water, whether in oceans, rivers, or even ice, and constantly moves through evaporation, rain, and runoff. Deep below our feet, the geosphere is the solid earth of rocks and soil that forms continents and ocean floors and influences everything from volcanoes to mountains. Across all of this, life exists in the biosphere, all living organisms that depend on and influence the other spheres through processes like photosynthesis and respiration. But these parts don't just sit there alone. They exchange energy and matter in dynamic loops, so when water evaporates into the air, when winds shape landforms, or when living things alter the air's chemistry, one sphere's change ripples into the others, creating a web of connections that keeps Earth functioning as a whole system. That's why studying Earth system science helps us understand not just how the planet works, but how human actions today can ripple through the air, water, land, and life of our world.